Everyone is talking about what AI will do to us.
But the real question is, what will we do with it? AI doesn't replace thinking. It reveals it.
It doesn't lead. It follows clarity.
The future won't belong to those who fear AI or worship it.
It will belong to those who learn to work with it. Not faster, not louder, just ready.